Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. We have to study subject Electrical Substation Practices, subject code 22633, name of department Electrical Engineering, semester 6. Today we have to study the insulation resistance measurement. Insulation resistance is measured by the non-destructive test applied between the conductors and the frame of the equipment. The IR rules as well as I as the current carrying capacity and resistance, IR values may be recorded directly from the measure. Measure are used for the high resistance measuring device, measure readings or by calculation by using the voltmeters. So measuring may be the take place. Measure are used for the high insulation resistance measurement purpose. If the test is properly carried out and evaluated, then they will be assist the diagnosing impedance with the measuring devices. And measure are the useful for measurement of the insulation resistance as the high insulation resistance are measured with the help of the measure. The moisture observed in the winding or the condensate on the surface of the insulation will be result in the decrease in the measured value of the insulation resistance. Hence, if at all the value of the insulation resistance it is measured with the help of the measure, it should be measured with immediately after the machine has stopped the running. Then we have to use or measure the insulation resistance of that electrical machine. If it should have measured immediately after the machine has stopped the running, it also avoid the error due to the moisture of the winding, or when the machine is the temperature increase or decrease, or the temperature of the electrical machinery is the lower than the surrounding air. Moisture will be condensed on the machine and will be gradually absorbed by insulation. The insulation resistance value of the DC machines are more sensitive to changes the humidity of that electrical device which is required in AC machines. This is because of the greater number of the leakage path in the armatures and the field of the DC machine. So, the insulation resistance is the essential things for the electrical apparatus as well as the electrical machine. So, after some periodical period, we have to take the insulation testing with the help of the measure or another device. So, the insulation measurement is essential parts for the electrical equipment as well as the electrical machines, and we have to test the insulation resistance of each and every electrical parts. It may be the electrical machines or other device. So insulation testing is essential. So measuring of that device is the take place. Measure are used for the high insulation resistance purpose. Next, insulation resistance meters. An insulation resistance meter is the measure which indicate the insulation resistance directly. To take an insulation resistance test, disconnect the equipment such as the machine disconnection from the main switch and then connect one terminal of measure to the winding and the other to the frame. Move the handle of the measure as the measuring at the normal speed. it will cause the pointer to move from position on the scale corresponding to the value of the insulation resistance under the test. The pointer may be the move because of the measuring is the take place. As we handle of generator, that is the bolt in at the normal speed. The large machine with the good insulation have the considerable capacity. That considerable capacity effects between the conductor and the frames during the normal course of the operation may acquire a static charge and retain it to the extended times after the shutdown. Since the presence of the very small amount of the stored energy will cause an error in the makers. The reading of that device during the winding of the large machine, it will be grounded for 15 minutes. Before the test, that things is essential. When measure is operated, the behavior of the pointer should be carefully observed. As much as we have to see the points of that measure as the movement of that pointers. The leakage of the current along with the surface of the dirty insulation is generally indicated by the slight kick as the down the scale, whereas the response of the pointer when the testing of the good insulation is drawn back. The initial dip of the pointer toward the zero as caused by the capacitance of the winding or electrical machines and is mainly noticeable in large machine of electrical device, cables and capacitors. So that device are measured with the help of insulation resistance meters. Next, voltmeter methods. This method can be used only when the measure is not available. Then we have to use as the voltmeter method. If measure is not available for the insulation resistance measuring, then we have to use as the voltmeter method. This method can be used only when the measure is not available at the high resistance DC voltmeter with the range capacity of 500 to 600 volt, that is the rating capacity of voltmeters, may be used to determine the insulation resistance and provided that the sensitivity of the makeup is 100 ohm per unit of the volt or higher than the 100 ohm. This is the diagram representation as the input DC supply directly feed to the voltmeter. Then the terminal of that voltmeter is directly connected to the electrical machines or electrical devices. Here by the voltmeter, here the pointer of the voltmeter may be the move, and we have to easily observe the insulation resistance of that electrical machines with the help of voltmeter readings. So these are the some device which is used for the insulation resistance of the purpose. Voltmeter methods, insulation resistance meters, insulation resistance measuring methods. So these are the some device which is used for the measurement of the insulation. Measure is the device which is used for the high resistance measuring. High insulation resistance are measured with the help of the measure, and insulation resistance with the meter is also that. If measure is not available, then we have to use as the voltmeter methods. That is also used for the measurement of the insulation with the help of the voltmeter methods. So these are the different types of the device which is used for the measurement of the insulation resistance. We have to see the again insulation resistance by the meters. An insulation resistance meter is a measure which indicate the insulation resistance directly. To make an insulation resistance test, disconnect the equipment or the electrical machines from the main switch and then connect the one terminal of measure to the winding and the other to the frame. Move the handle of the generator or the bolt in at the normal speed. Then it will cause the pointer to move to the position on the scale corresponding to the value of the insulation resistance under test. Large machine with the good insulation have the considerable capacity. Effects between the conductor and the frames and during the normal course of the operation may acquire a static charge and retain it for and extend the time after shutdown of the electrical machine. Since the presence of the very small amount of the stored energy will cause an error in the measures, that also cause an error in measuring the readings. The winding of the large machine should have the grounded for about 15 minutes before the test. When the measure is operated, and the behavior of the pointer should be careful. The leakage of the current along with the surface of the dirty insulation is the generally of the indicated by the slight kick, and whereas the response the pointer when the testing of the good insulation is the downward. The initial dip of the pointer towards the zero is caused by the applications of the different devices, and here the pointer of the application may be the useful. Thank you, students.